You are welcome to this video. This is a video whereby we test knowledge on research methodology. We are testing knowledge on technical report writing, literature review, citation, and chi-square inferential statistics in research. So we have prepared two questions to demonstrate this, as you can see on the screen. We have two questions, two problems to demonstrate that. The first question is this: in the following paragraph, there are 4 numbered citations in text. Produce a hypothetical literature list according to the following criteria for corresponding literature item using upper 7th edition. This can give 8 points. Now we have a paragraph whereby we have citations embedded. Those citations are numbered also. Those citations we want the candidate to write them out in a literature list based on the number below. So we have the paragraph. The paragraph states the manual floor cleaning task, which is quite labor intensive and ineffective. For citation is the Chair 2022. That's number 1. Is intended to be solved by the remote control electric floor mopping system. Also, people with disabilities need more considerations on the matter of floor cleaning. Number 2, citation, and D, et al. 2014. According to Khan et al. 2021, that's number 3, traditional mopping techniques can be laborious and physically demanding, especially in large areas. This keeps homes tidy and keeps away filth, bacteria, and illness-causing germs in the surroundings. Number 4, Sandeep and Mehta 2016. So each one will be presented in literature list according to the guide. The first guide says it's an edited book by 2 editors. The second one says it's a report. The third one, a conference paper by 4 authors. Last one, number 4, is online journal with DOI. So candidates are expected to present these citations in form of the literature item listed here. So that's the first problem. The first problem right here, the second problem right here is about inferential statistics in research. And the question states thus: a departmental store A asks for competitors B, C, D, and E. So A hires a consultant to determine if the percentage of shoppers who prefer each of the 5 stores is the same. A survey of 1,100 randomly selected shoppers is conducted, and the results about which one of the stores shoppers prefer are given in table Q4. By the application of a chi-square test, determine whether there is enough evidence using a significant level alpha equals 0.05 to conclude that the proportions are really the same, and this can give 12 points. Alright, so there's a word that was missing, whether there is enough evidence to conclude that the proportions are really the same. So there are 5 stores, A, B, C, D. And the number of shoppers that patronize them are recorded as 262, 234, 204, 190, and 210. Total was given the question as a random survey of 1,100 shoppers. So the question is to determine whether the percentage of shoppers that visit each store is the same. The percentages are equal or not. So here, the candidates are to apply chi-square method to determine that. So obviously, you remember that this requires the statistical table, differential statistic table, and one of interest is the chi-square. So you are expected to solve this carefully, analyze, and use your statistical able to actually arrive at a conclusion. So in addition to problem 1, which is based on technical report writing, basically literature citation, the problem 2 is on research, and expects candidates to do this within about 50 minutes. About 50 minutes is given. So all the best. Now later on, we are going to also provide the solution to these two problems on the channel. So we are going to add a link to that video in the description box for this particular video. So don't forget also to subscribe to the channel and then like and share the video. Like, share the video. So I hope to see you in that next video where we provide the solution to the problem. Until then, say bye-bye.